Hello, I'm Michael Richard and welcome back to The Art of Art. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a really fantastic three-dimensional effect. Now, if you're not using shadows, and very few people are, you're not really creating three-dimensional effects. And the shadowing is the most fantastic technique I've ever come across. I was very nervous at first when I started using it. But now I use it on every single piece to make my pieces come to life. Now in this video we're going to use shadowing and we're going to use the laser to create a completely three-dimensional effect of a honeycomb. And I think you'll enjoy this technique and I hope you'll implement it and use it. In this first stage we've already completed 2/3 of the piece and we're going to use the laser tool, which is under the brushes, and we're going to use the color white. And then we're simply going to put two sides of the shape on the left using the laser tool. As you can see, just by doing that, we've created a three-dimensional effect. But that's only half of it. Now we're going to switch to the airbrush, and we're going to put an airbrush shadow on the right-hand side, directly opposite the white, to create that 3D effect. I hope you'll agree this is quite an incredible effect. Yes, it takes a long time. You've got to be prepared to take the time if you want to create something special. I hope you've enjoyed learning this technique and I hope you'll use it. And please let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. This is Michael Richard from The Art of Art saying bye for now.